Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to hide your Instagram online status. So to do that, let me just head over to Instagram first. Once in there, just head over to Instagram, and in here, just head over to your profile. And now tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And here, scroll down, and here you have to go to, or you can search for your active status. Or here in the show activity status, here you have to turn it off. So once you turn it off, the people, when it is turned off, you won't be able to see the active status of other accounts, and people can't see you are active on Instagram. So yeah, this is the easiest way to do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment section how it worked for you, and we will see you in the next video.